Hey guys, David Plummer from Aerial Influence here today. It's 2019. We are so excited about the drone industry. It's taken off over the past few years as a hobby. People have been picking it up, they've been flying, they've been having a good time, getting in trouble, that sort of thing. It's a lot of fun, I don't blame them. But this year, 2019, is gonna be the year where it's gonna take off in the business world and you need to be involved. Okay, so DJI is consistently upgrading their products. They're always coming out with something new. And recently they came out with the Mavic 2 Enterprise. You guys know and love the Mavic drone. This is the Mavic 2 Enterprise. You can put attachments on top. It's got a spotlight, a speaker. It's got a beacon light. Really cool drone. But DJI also recently told us about the new Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual. The Dual, this one actually has a thermal camera on it. So while the regular Mavic 2 Enterprise has a 4K camera on it with a zoom lens, it'll go 2 times optical, 3 times digital zoom. This one, the Dual, does not have the zoom lens on it, but it does have a 4K camera on it and a thermal camera on it. So if you're looking to get into the thermal side of things, if you are an inspector, if you are in search and rescue, this is something, if you're just wanting to sort of like tip your toe into drones in the industry, this is one to check out. All right, next up is the Phantom 4 RTK. You know the Phantom, you love the Phantom. They've stepped it up to the Phantom 4 RTK here. This one has an RTK unit that comes with it. This all makes this drone really highly accurate in terms of global positioning. So if you're a construction company, if you're somebody that's looking for something with really high resolution mapping, the Phantom 4 RTK is something you want to take a look at. High quality. This is one of DJI's original drones, the Phantom series. Really high quality, very precise, and I think you're going to love this one. All right, next up is the Matrice 200 and the Matrice 210. These drones are really the best in class for business drones. You've got gimbals that you can replace, so you can put like a Z30 on it, which has a huge 30 times optical zoom. You could also put an XT2 thermal camera on it. These are expensive items. We're gonna need to train you on these, but incredibly high quality, incredibly easy to use. We have a lot of police officers using this. We have a lot of firefighters using this. If you're in city government, if you are somebody that is working with a budget for a really high quality device, a piece of machinery, this is not a toy, this is a flying workhorse. Next up, I want to talk to you guys about the Grass series. So the DJI Grass MG1S and MG1P, these are amazing drones that actually spray crops and they spread seed. It'll carry 7 pounds of seed. It'll carry 2.5 gallons of pesticide. It'll fly from a very low level, so like 2 to 10 feet above the crop. Has about a 15-foot swath, so it will actually spread 15 feet from around the drone. That's how far, big of an area that it will actually cover. So, obviously for spot spraying, this makes a lot of sense if you own a farm where there are places that are hard to reach, that you can't get to with a combine, that you can't get to plant seed or to put pesticide, that a crop duster is not gonna reach. This is something you wanna look into, and this is really the future of drones. This is the way farming is gonna go. So we want you to give us a call on this, and we're happy to come out and give you a demo on the Grass or any of our drones, honestly. We are all about collaborating with people and finding the best answer to help make your business go to the next level. That's what we're here for. Please give us a call, 312-882-6524, or contact at aerialinfluence.com. Thank you guys for checking us out. If you got questions, please let us know. Aerial Influence, we're gonna be ready to go pretty soon. The guys are working hard on the building. We've got this 15 acres. We're so excited for you guys to check us out. That's gonna be probably somewhere in March, April. We're gonna let you know, but make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, to our Facebook page, our Instagram, Twitter, all that stuff. We're really excited to get to know you guys. We hope you get to know us.